Myself P.Y. Lalita Chaitanya, lecturer in Commerce, Garment City College. Today's topic is sources of finance. Let us move on to the industrial finance. By industrial finance, we mean the organization of various types of finance needed by industries for their activities, connected with the production of goods and services. Production activities include construction of buildings, purchase of machines, their repair, purchase of raw materials, engagement of laborers, etc. For the performance of these activities, three types of finances are needed by industrial units, that is the long term, medium term, short term. This finance is provided to the industrial units by a number of national and state level financial institutions set up by the government. So here a financial institution or a development bank may be defined as financial institution concerned with providing all types of financial assistance to business units in the form of loans, underwriting, investment and guarantee operations and promotional activities with a view to achieve economic development in general and industrial development in a particular. National level institutions. A wide variety of financial institutions have been set up at the national level. They cater to the diverse financial requirements of the entrepreneurs. They include All India Development Banks like IDBI, SIDBI, IFCI Limited. Specialized financial institutions like IVCF, ICICI, Venture Funds Limited, TFCI and investment institutions like LIC, GIC, UTI, etc. All India Development Banks. All India Development Banks includes those development banks which provide institutional credit to not only a large and medium enterprises but also help in promotion and development of small scale industrial units. The first one is Industrial Development Bank of India. IDBI was established in July 1964 as an apex financial institution for industrial development in the country. It caters to the diversified needs of medium and large scale industries in the form of financial assistance, both direct and indirect. Direct assistance is provided by the way of project loans, underwriting and direct subscription. The second one is Industrial Financial Corporations Limited and Small Industrial Development Bank of India, Industrial Investment Bank of India, that is IIBI. Specialized financial institutions are the institutions which have been set up to serve the increasing financial needs of commerce and trade in the area of venture capital, credit rating and leasing. The first one is IFCI, ICICI, Tourism Financial Corporation of India Limited. Investment institutions in that come under Life Insurance Corporation, UTI, General Insurance Corporation of India. State level institutions, that is State Financial Corporation, State Industrial Development Corporations. In the state level institutions, State Financial Corporation, State Industrial Institutional Development Corporation. Concept of corporate finance, in that it comes under short term finance, medium term finance, long term finance.